Okay, so now we're waiting just for everything to cool down. And
Can you
hey,
hand me my water, please?
okay, Paige. Baba, what?
She doesn't know.
Oh my God. Okay. Good.
Paige, you are talking, not me.
No.
She's talking.
She's supposed to say when she says,
Give me water.
give me water, and I start grabbing it. I said, okay, Paige. When I say, okay, Paige, then you say, wait.
Here,
Okay.
let's do a practice one, a quick one.
No, this is fun. Ready? Come on.
We'll practice, but we'll film it. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, ready?
Okay, so now the magic moment is that
Can you
wait,
give me my
Paige.
water, please?
I'm talking, Paige. You want?
I'm thirsty.
Okay, Paige.
Wait.
That is horrible acting. That's horrible acting.
Whenever you're ready.
She said, "What do I need to say?" When I grab it, okay, Paige, you go.
Just stop him and make him put a coastie on it. That's all. Say whatever you want.
No, this time.
Okay, so all you have to do is say,
She only has one
wait. Put a ghost on it. I can't even do this anymore. I'm dying. My stomach hurts. Okay, ready? Okay, but don't laugh. Don't laugh, Baba, okay? All right. Ready?
Yeah. No, hang on. Okay, now.
Okay, right now what we're gonna do is wait for it to cool down. And
Dad.
what, Paige? I'm talking.
Can you hand me my water, please?
Wait, David. No, you need this stuff for put water.
You need this stuff. You need this stuff. This is a ghostie. We're trying to do a sponsored advertisement. You did good.
Don't stop.
Don't say stop. Put a ghosties on it. No, come on, Baba. Come on.
Okay,
Let's do
ready?
it. Right there. Focus.
Okay, I'll say action. Ready? Action.
How about host?
Coasties. Coasters. Should we have somebody standing here
Like
writing?
a coaster, but a coaster.
Coaster. Coasties.
Like a coaster.
Coaster, like a coaster.
Coasties.
Coasties.
Cute coaster. Yeah,
Coasties.
you got it.
Okay.
All
All
right.
right. Just kidding.
Idemo mu Davide, raspašću se, stomače mi se raspadni, vi ste ludi.